We are going to review top 5 best doctor kits for kids. Let's get started. List number 1. Durable Kids Doctor Kit with Electronic Stethoscope. In their reviews, parents and grandparents alike write that they are thrilled with the quality of this set and note that their kids and grandkids love playing with it. One reviewer writes, "This kit exceeded my expectations. The parts are interactive, which I didn't even realize when I bought it. The band-aids are flexible enough to be put on an adult wrist, and the overall quality of the pieces is really nice." Another reviewer loved the interactive nature of the pieces, saying, "Delightful. The stethoscope has a heartbeat sound, the phone has a variety of phone sounds, even a busy signal, the syringe plunger moves, all of this is great. My favorite piece, though, is the blood pressure cuff. The gauge moves when you squeeze the bulb." List number 2. Fisher-Price Medical Kit. On top of the responsive stethoscope, reviewers like that this kit comes with a gender-neutral and open-ended medical bag. It took decades to move beyond doctor's bags for boys and nurse bags for girls. Now we finally have the perfect medical bag for any budding doctor, nurse, EMT, lab tech, anywhere a child's unfettered imagination wants to roam, writes one satisfied parent. Reviewers also like that the kit is easy to tote anywhere kids go. "I bought this medical kit for my daughter while I was in the hospital having my son. Every time she visited me she brought it and kept telling all the doctors she was a doctor too, checking everyone's ears for bugs. And thanks to its working stethoscope." List number 3. B Toys, B Doctor Toy, Deluxe Medical Kit. Reviewers comment over and over again on the quality of this set and how well it stands up to constant play. One reviewer says, "I looked at several of these sets before I purchased this one and this was by far the highest quality. My son has chewed on all of the instruments and has taken most of them into the bath and they are still good as new." Many reviewers also note that the size, shape, and sturdiness of this case make it easy for little kids to use. One writes, "I chose the kit partially because of its shape, which will sit firmly on a flat surface when he opens the 2 latches. Some of the kits that are a different shape can have one side fall open if not latched tightly or have equipment fall out when one side is raised up." List number 4. Learning Resources Pretend and Play Doctor Set. With a whopping 19 pieces, this kit is packed with tons of pretend play potential. It comes with so much more than the other kits I saw in stores. "We play for hours with this and it all seems like it will hold up over time. I am very pleased with what we received for the price," says one reviewer. Another parent mentions liking the kit for its educational benefits and durability. "This is probably one of my favorite toys that she's had because it's gotten so much use, and we are learning and teaching with it too." And other reviewers mention buying it several times over as a gift for kids of many ages. "Our granddaughters, 4 and 8, use it all the time. They had several different sets before this one, and none even compared to it." List number 5. Melissa and Doug Examine and Treat Pet Vet Playset. Lots of reviewers like that this kit comes with a cute stuffed cat and dog for their kids to practice on. "The dog and cat are attached to my son's side, even when he's not playing vet. It's a really nice set and has a lot of fun stuff for play, like the cast and cone." One reviewer who loves the quality of this kit mentions how engrossing it is for her daughter, saying, "Wow. Did this ever deliver? She absolutely adores it. Hours upon hours of imagination fun." Another reviewer liked the realistic nature of the little bottles and tubes. "It is awesome to have the little bottles of empty ointments and lotions so she has her own and doesn't get into actual lotions and ointments.